Good morning, everyone. I'm David Smith, Certified Financial Planning Professional, and I'm this week's greeter for LeTip of Dallas. Before I tell you about our program this week, let's talk LeTip. Founded in 1978, LeTip International is the premier professional leads group. As many of you know, it is not necessarily what you know, but who you know. While that may not be true for some, in the world of networking, it can make the difference between success and failure. As a trusted resource to your clients, being a part of a professional networking group can provide you with the resources you can use in order to help your clients in ways you never thought of, and that will reflect positively on you. So when you think about being a part of a networking group, why not the original, LeTip International? With chapters both across the United States and internationally, I'm partial towards LeTip of Dallas. Founded in 2002, it is the oldest and largest LeTip networking group in the state of Texas. This week we have two financial professionals who will be our showboater and speaker, and both in the insurance industry. As a financial professional myself, I'm well versed in many types of insurance. These two individuals are the types of insurance professionals you would want to have helping you. Their objective is not to sell you insurance, it is to provide you with the protections you need for your circumstances. Our showboater this week is Steve Melalou of SMA Insurance. He is our commercial insurance professional and will show us some aspects of why commercial insurance is important for business owners. Business owners know that mistakes and errors can be costly. Having someone like Steve Melalou advising you on your commercial policy can minimize the impact of those mistakes. Our other insurance professional this week is our speaker, Joe Cotter of Farmers Insurance. He will be telling us about how he can provide you with the right coverage for your home and auto. Yes, some people may want to have higher deductibles in order to have cheaper insurance, but is it the right choice for you and your family? Joe, just like Steve, can be your trusted advisor on your policies to give you the best possible protection for the price. Come join us this Wednesday, August 11th, 2021 at 11:30 a.m. or earlier if you like, to visit us at Sherlock's Baker Street Pub in Addison. You can meet our current group of members and guests, view Steve's showboat, and learn more about our group. Then after the meeting starts, as a part of our program, we will hear from Joe Cotter in a 10-minute presentation to the group. Simply send us a message that you'd like to join us, or simply just come to Sherlock's in Addison at 11:30 this Wednesday. I look forward to meeting some new people.